Hello, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox something that I ordered from Amazon, which is a day-to-day useful thing. Let's unbox this. Like I have mentioned in many other videos, Amazon does this kind of packing. I don't know why they are doing this. If they have a box, that's better. They just wrap it in cardboard and send with a sticker on it. Yeah, they could have sent it like this. This is the best way of sending a known fragile thing. Why this box is needed. Anyhow, I'm going to tear off this plastic cover. So this is our product of the day. So these are kitchen wall hooks. It's from a company called Melissa and Doug. D-O-U-G, Doug. Yeah. So don't get scared by the name, Andrew. This could be an Indian company, not US or UK. This is looking nice. So this is the product. These are the hooks. You can attach it to any walls and hang things. This is useful especially in the kitchen. You can hang your ladles, spoons, and even small pans you can hang in there. This is a 10-piece set. So yeah, that's our product of the day. I'm just exploring how to do this. So like I said, this I bought from Amazon. Its actual price is 300 rupees for 10. Now there is some offer going on, so I got it for 179 rupees. And as per the product description, what I came to know is you can stick it to the wall, and you can hang anything which weighs up to 5 kgs. So yeah, you can hang your ideally hang your pans, spoons, ladles, all the stuff in the kitchen. And this can be used in the bathroom also. You can hang your loofah and stuff like that. You can use it in the living room also if you want to hang anything. So this is a multi-purpose use. If I say it's not only for the kitchen, you can use it in any room. I'm going to demonstrate one of these products for you. I'm just going to stick one of these in my kitchen, and I'll hang a ladle to it so that you can see the product in action. So I'm going to demonstrate one of these clips for you. As you can see, there are so many nails in this wall, which is pinned onto the tile by some people. Anyhow, not me especially, you have to note that. So if you have clips like this, you can avoid pinning nails on your wall. So this is how we are going to do it. You can peel this off from behind. It's a simple plastic peel. You can peel it off like this, and you can stick it here. And now for the demonstration, I will hang a couple of things here. So yeah, so for instance, I have a scissors which I can hang like this. I have a ladle that I use in the kitchen, so I can hang like this. So the dimension is a bit odd, that's why it is looking like that. So I can do like this, it will stay. And I think yeah, you can almost hang anything in there. So I'm going to take one pan and try to hang it there. Let's see how it holds. Yeah, it perfectly hangs. So like in the description, anything which is up to 5 kg, you can hang it there. So it's very useful for the kitchen and any other rooms. Like I've said, you can place it in the bathroom, you can stick it in the bathroom, in the bedroom, any other room, wherever you want to hang something. So yeah, that was our product of the day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.